Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko Yuri taku mata, ko Aisha tuku whai, ko Kamila aha, ko Mawhaki taku ingoa whānau, e te ko o kuto. Kei Kelson School kainga, tēnā koutou katoa. When you hear the words animal cruelty, what do you think of? Do you think of how people kill animals for their fur? Maybe you could think of how they treat animals in a circus. Or you could think of how they test some products on animals. There are many different types of animal cruelty, and all of them are terrible. But what I'm focusing on in my speech today is to stop how people kill animals for their fur. People think differently about animal cruelty. Some may say that there's too much being killed, but some may say that it's just a few, and that's not the case. Do you guys know how much animals are getting killed each year? Put your hands up if you want to try guess. Kira.
60 million.
Zane.
1 billion.
Well, according to LCA, Last Chance for Animals, a non-profit organization in the United States, over 1 billion rabbits and 50 million other animals are getting killed each year. Can you believe that? I once saw on the TV that there were some wolves being held captive in tiny cages that are around the same size as them. This is basically you in a room. You can't even do this. The reason is because they want the wolves to get more fat so that they have extra thick wool for selling. Do we even have the rights to do this? No. It's like stealing something else from someone else, but even worse. Since animals can't talk to us, that means that they can't say that they don't want to be killed. How would you feel if you were being hunted just for your hair without you being able to defend yourselves? Scary, right? With this speech, I want to raise awareness and help stop animal cruelty. Luckily, fur farming bans are increasingly widespread. Next to that, more and more countries, including New Zealand, are phasing out fur farming and are adopting stricter regulations that cause fur farms to close down. You may be sitting there thinking, well, I want to help stop animal cruelty, but can I really? You really can. Here are some ideas. Number 1, stop buying products that include animal fur in it. If you stop buying them, fashion designers will stop using it, retailers will stop selling it, and fashion reporters will stop writing it as a successful craze. Also, donate. If you donate to an animal organization, with your help, animal organizations can continue to work with fashion designers and retailers to go fur free. So, would you like to be part in saving the animals? Would you like to be part in saving all those innocent creatures that get turned into fur coats? Well then, what are we waiting for? I say we should save the animals. Let's hear it one more